Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Rocket Road Rider again. Back again with another vlog. This is gonna be a very quick vlog, but it's something very exciting. So to show you guys what I'm really excited about, let's head out. Another addition to my red family. My neighbor Robert Uncle was selling his old car. It is around 14 years old, and I just gave a test drive, and I really liked it. It's a single owner car, and he hardly used it. It's around 77,000 kilometers. Everything is intact, and it's smooth. It's smooth as my Polo. I want to lose this opportunity, so I grabbed it as fast as I can. Of course, it's a 14-year-old car. There are little problems in it, not major, but can be easily fixed. The clutch plate is completely gone, and of course, general service. The garage guy was like, there's a little problem with the suspension as well, but it doesn't require replacement. So I'm just heading out now to a mechanic. This is by Mr. Rafi. Big time car enthusiast. I'm new into this stuff. So based on a suggestion, I'm going to a mechanic who does work on only rally cars. Check out this beast. Turbo. Zen with a turbo engine. Rafi, car expert, please talk about the modifications. What is this? Some red color, nice looking red color. So he's told me to come by 11 o'clock, so I'm heading out. Check out the interiors of my car. Look at this antique music system. So I finally get to use my CDs. Metallica, Death Magnetic. What is up with the sun guard this time, man? It burns. Keep yourself hydrated, guys, and take a lot of vitamins. Can't take risk. I hope you guys have heard about the news in Maharashtra where 14 people died of heat wave. Shit, scary times. The last 2 years was very peaceful because of the cyclone and stuff, but this year I don't know what is happening. It has become very pathetic. I'm going to Nandidurga Road near Jai Mahal to get my car repaired. I'm just going to drop off the car and hopefully pick it up by evening. Ah, shit, I forgot. Shit. I'll take an auto or something and come back. Please check out the interiors. It's a very well-maintained car. Single owner. Robert Uncle is a strict man. With strict routines. So of course he would have kept the car in a very good condition. But of course, because the car would have worn down because of the Bangalore roads, not because of bad maintenance for sure, which can be easily fixed. It's not a big deal, hopefully, because once a mechanic opens up the engine and everything, then they actually realize what the actual problem is.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
I hope we get rains very soon and the weather cools down.
देखो बारिश हो रही है. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining.
I don't know how many liters of water we're drinking every day. In a way that's good, but just think about not so privileged people who have to deal with it deal with the sun and the heat firsthand. Scary stuff. Of course, there are scratches on the right door and the left door, and on the front end and in the back, which can be easily fixed. That's not a big deal. But I will do it eventually. I don't want to rush. Just get the mechanical parts repaired first, and get the car running as smooth as it can, and eventually get all the cosmetic stuff done. I'm not gonna overspend on the car this time, because this is just gonna be a temporary solution. My dream is to buy a Thar, which I hope I buy it very soon. They've introduced a two-wheel drive, so I'm looking forward to that. Otherwise, the four-wheel drive would be around 25 lakhs, man. 25 lakhs. Jai Bangalore roads. Jai Bangalore road tax.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ರೀ ನಾವು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋ ದೇಶ ಇದು.
Let's check out the music system. We finally made it. We are there. We are there. Oh, this is the game.
Several days later.
Okay, so my car is ready. I'm going to pick it up. Off-roading in Bangalore.
Depends on mountain town.
The car is all ready. Let's go check. Final touch-ups. I think the last part would be just installing the hot plugs, and we are good to go. Okay, we are all set. I've got the car rectified. There's a bit of work still left in the suspension part, which I'll eventually do, because that's going to cost me a lot, maybe around 10,000 rupees at least. Which I don't have currently. But for now the car is pretty smooth, and it feels brand new, so what more do I want? Anyways, thanks for watching the vlog. I keep coming with more such videos soon, and I hope you like, share and subscribe. But before we go, you can help me name my car. That'll be fun. I'm looking forward to your suggestions.
La 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 la.